Hey y'all, it's Peryn, and for today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this rainbow cut crease 90s inspired makeup look. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is packing on that pink shade, and I'm just going to be blending it out. So I did all that and still pointed at the wrong shade, but I'm using this shimmer purple shade, and I'm just basically blending that within the pink so that it looks a little bit more seamless. Now I'm just going back in with that pink shade, and I'm just intensifying the color and so that it can pop a little bit more. So now I'm just gonna be using my M213 brush and my LA Pro Girl white concealer. I always use white concealer whenever I want a very pigmented look. So I'm just using my finger to set it in place because I didn't feel like grabbing a brush. But now I'm just packing on the purple shade, and it's gonna give like this really cool rainbow ripple effect. Also, I just want to point out that I know that my lash is coming off. You don't gotta tell me, I already know. I was in a rush, so yeah. So for the last shade on my lid, I'm using the very first shade that I used, and that's that hot pink color. And I'm first packing that on, and then I am going to blend that out. So here I have my stars, and I got these from AliExpress. I can't remember who the vendor was, but if I do find it, I will link it down below. And I'm just using some clear lash glue to pop those on. So I did my face off camera, and now I'm just bluffing out my lower lash line with the first two shades that I use, and that's the hot pink and that purple shimmer color. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline holographic highlighter, and I'm just going to be putting that on my brow bone, my nose, my tear duct, and also my cupid's bow. So we've reached the end of this tutorial, and if you like this 90s rainbow inspired cut crease, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video.